What the hell? I know you caught me talking about fine specimen too. Just don't mind me. We behave. I'm behaving.
Is this the British Carpenter show? The British Destiny Dilatio?
You can't even.
I can't even say it. Give me a little rundown, ma'am, of
All right, so
how
now
you're doing
you
this.
see what we got here.
Tell me how you're doing this, ma'am. Give me some pointers for the young people.
First of all,
Give me some pointers. Yeah, keep your hair all nice
look,
and
you
pretty.
see this?
Yeah.
In my shadow.
Yes. Is that the technique to look at your hair and paint at the same time?
I mean, if you can do it.
If you can do it.
If you
got
can
skills?
do it.
You got skills?
Barely.
Barely?
Yeah, no, just a little bit.
Just a little bit?
It comes from a long life of trials and tribulations. Legit though, trials and tribulations.
Destiny, do you want to tell us a story while you're doing this? To
All I know is
tell us the history of the Destiny, the Frank Destiny. While you're putting that second coat in the corner, you could.
This is the first coat.
First coat. Okay.
That's the mocha coat right
The
there.
mocha coat. The mocha coat.
So
right
a
there.
little bit. Sometimes you got a little fill in the blank.
Fill in the
But-
blank.
Listen, practice.
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 Yes, young kids. Just from the professional self. Practice. 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 We're talking
Fuck
about
shit
practice.
up. Fuck it up.
We're talking about practice. Practice.
If you fuck it up, you fuck it up. And guess what? Next time, you don't fuck it up as bad.
That's right, kids.
That's right, kids.
If you fuck it up, you fuck it up. You just don't fuck it up as bad the next time.
Yeah, and then you get to where you don't fuck it up really that
Hey,
much at all.
That's wise words from the Frank Destiny.
Wise.
Wise words. That's a wise moment from Frank, sponsored by the Wise Moment Company. Little Frank, work that corner.
Yeah,
You
you gotta-
see it? Work that corner, Frank.
That corner.
Work that corner,
You
Frank.
gotta cut it in.
Cut it in, Frank. Show him how to cut it in there, Frank. Goddamn bristles.
You gotta concentrate.
Goddamn damn bristles.
You see?
Goddamn damn bristles, girl.
Them motherfuckers.
Goddamn damn bristles. You got goddamn damn bristles.
Got them there?
Goddamn damn bristles.
I thought you were